Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the exact app process or package you will block. This matters because tools match by PID, service name, or package ID. Make sure you have the required privileges, root or admin, because without them you cannot alter firewall or routing rules. Decide whether you want to stop network access for the whole device, a single user, or just one network interface. That decision determines the tools and commands you choose. Once identified, keep the app running so you can test rules live. Now implement the blocking rules. On Linux, add iptables or nftables rules. On Mac OS, use pfctl. On Windows, configure outbound rules in Windows Firewall. Block by process ID or UID when possible to avoid collateral damage, otherwise target the app's ports or destination IPs. Apply one rule at a time and test immediately with curl or packet capture so you know which rule produced the effect. If the app spawns child processes, make sure your rule set covers those UIDs. Finish by persisting the rules so they survive reboots. Use saved firewall configs, a systemd unit, or startup scripts depending on your platform. Monitor the app with netstat, SS, or TCP dump to confirm no outbound connections occur, and watch firewall logs to catch blocked attempts. If things go wrong, first verify your privileges and that the app isn't auto-spawning under a different UID. Then review rule order and look for conflicting allow rules. One troubleshooting tip: temporarily place a broad deny rule to determine whether the issue is
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.